Wow. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning and we're here in Yellowstone. And there's a terrible storm going. Well, kind of neat to be in the rain, but I can't sleep now. Let me see. I just can't sleep. It's raining. Coming down. It's coming down. Whew. Wow, out there. Yeah. Can't see anything out here. I can't see anything, I just hear it. It's my very first time ever being in a rainstorm. It's fun. My socks coming off. This is the only campfire I get right now. And how are we gonna get through the morning without our coffee? We're not really able to boil or cook or do anything near the tent because of the smell for the bears. So we're living out in the back of the trunk like a food locker. Alright, signing out, 10-4.